Animals name with alphabets. A for alligator.
A for alligator.
B for bear.
B for bear.
C for cat.
C for cat.
D for dog.
D for dog.
E for elephant.
E for elephant.
F for fox.
F for fox.
G for goat.
G for goat.
H for horse.
H for horse.
I for entry.
I for entry.
J for jellyfish.
J for jellyfish.
K for kangaroo.
K for kangaroo.
L for lion.
L for lion.
M for monkey.
M for monkey.
N for narwhal.
N for narwhal.
O for owl.
O for owl.
P for peacock.
P for peacock.
Q for quail.
Q for quail.
R for rabbit.
R for rabbit.
S for sheep.
S for sheep.
T for tortoise.
T for tortoise.
U for unicorn.
U for unicorn.
V for vulture.
V for vulture.
W for wolf.
W for wolf.
X for X-ray tetra.
X for X-ray tetra.
Y for yak.
Y for yak.
Z for zebra.
Z for zebra.